Welcome to Top 25 Most Popular Garden Plants with their companions. In this video, we'll explore some of the best plants to grow in your garden and their perfect companions. Please like, share and subscribe for more practical, real information. Tomatoes, a versatile warm season crop rich in vitamins A and C. Let's talk about their companion plants. Basil. It repels pests like aphids and enhances tomato flavor. Marigolds, they deter nematodes and other soil pests. And garlic, it repels spider mites and other insects. Carrots, a cool season root vegetable high in beta-carotene. Now for their companions. Onions, they repel carrot flies. Leeks, they deter pests and share similar growing conditions. And rosemary, it repels carrot flies and improves soil aroma. Lettuce, a leafy, cool season green ideal for salads. Let's see its companions. Radishes, they deter pests like aphids and mark lettuce rows. Chives, they repel aphids and enhance growth. And carrots, they maximize space and loosen soil for lettuce roots. Cucumbers, a vining warm season crop great for fresh eating or pickling. Companion plants dill attracts pollinators and repels pests like spider mites. Nasturtiums trap aphids and deter cucumber beetles. Beans fix nitrogen in the soil, benefiting cucumbers. Bell peppers, sweet warm season fruits rich in vitamins. Companion plants basil repels pests and may improve flavor. Onions deter aphids and other insects. Spinach shades soil and conserves moisture for peppers. Zucchini, a prolific summer squash, easy to grow. Companion plants, nasturtiums, repel squash bugs and beetles. Corn provides structure for zucchini vines. Beans add nitrogen to the soil. Spinach, a nutrient-packed, cool-season leafy green. Companion plants include strawberries, which share space well and deter pests. Peas, which fix nitrogen and complement spinach's needs. And radishes, which loosen soil and deter pests. Green beans, a warm season legume high in fiber. Companion plants are corn, which acts as a natural trellis for climbing beans. Marigolds, which repel bean beetles. And potatoes, which are mutually beneficial for pest control. Peas, a cool season legume, sweet and tender. Companion plants include carrots, which improve soil structure and maximize space. Radishes, which mark rows and deter pests. And mint, which repels aphids and improves flavor. Broccoli, a cool season brassica, rich in vitamins. Companion plants celery repels pests like cabbage worms. Dill attracts beneficial insects. Nasturtiums deter aphids and cabbage moths. Kale, a hardy, nutrient-dense leafy green. Companion plants garlic repels aphids and other pests. Marigolds deter nematodes and cabbage worms. Dill attracts pollinators and predatory insects. Potatoes, a starchy, cool season tuber. Companion plants, beans, add nitrogen to the soil. Marigolds repel potato beetles. Horseradish deters pests and improves disease resistance. Onions, a pungent, cool season bulb vegetable. Companion plants include carrots, which repel onion flies, chamomile that enhances growth and flavor, and beets that share space well and deter pests. Radishes, a fast-growing, cool-season root crop. Companion plants are peas, which improve soil nitrogen levels, lettuce that marks rows and shares space efficiently, and cucumbers that deter cucumber beetles. Beets, a sweet, earthy root vegetable grown in cool seasons. Companion plants include onions, which repel pests like aphids, cabbage that shares nutrient needs and deters pests, and mint that repels pests and improves soil aroma. Cauliflower, it's a cool season brassica with a creamy head. When it comes to companion plants, celery is a great choice as it deters cabbage worms. Marigolds are also beneficial because they repel pests like nematodes. And don't forget sage, it helps to deter cabbage moths. Eggplant. This is a warm season fruit, often used as a vegetable. For companion plants, beans are excellent as they fix nitrogen in the soil. Marigolds are also useful here since they deter nematodes and pests. Basil is another good option. It repels pests and improves growth. Swiss chard. This is a colorful leafy green, typically grown in cool seasons. For companion planting, onions are fantastic because they repel pests like aphids. Beans are also beneficial as they add nitrogen to the soil. And of course, marigolds deter pests and brighten the garden. Pumpkins, a sprawling warm-season squash. Companion plants corn provides shade and structure. Beans fix nitrogen in the soil. Nasturtiums repel squash bugs. Sweet potatoes, a warm-season tuber rich in vitamins. Companion plants. Dill attracts beneficial insects. Marigolds repel pests like nematodes. Beans improve soil nitrogen. Corn, a tall, warm-season grain crop. Companion plants. Beans fix nitrogen and climb cornstalks. Squash shades soil and deters weeds. Cucumbers share space and deter pests. Brussels sprouts. They are a cool season brassica with edible buds. When it comes to companion plants, nasturtiums are great because they deter aphids and cabbage worms. Garlic is another good choice as it repels pests like aphids. And dill is fantastic for attracting beneficial insects. Garlic, a pungent cool-season bulb with pest-repellent properties. Companion plants, tomatoes, benefit from garlic's pest-repellent nature. Beets share space well and deter pests. Chamomile enhances growth and flavor. Cabbage, a cool-season brassica with tight heads. Companion plants, celery repels cabbage worms. Marigolds deter pests like nematodes. Thyme repels cabbage moths. Arugula, a peppery, cool-season leafy green. Companion plant, spinach shares space and nutrient needs. Onions repel pests like aphids. Dill attracts beneficial insects. This list reflects vegetables commonly grown in home gardens worldwide, with companion plants chosen for practical benefits like pest control, pollination, and soil enrichment. Let me know if you'd like more details on growing conditions or recipes for any of these. Please like, share, and subscribe for more.